Hi guys, my name is Ali. In this lecture, we learn about analysis and synthesis in academic writing material. Analysis in writing. Analysis involves examining, selecting, and interpreting the material. People analyze things to determine the similarities and differences, to classify them, and to synthesize them. Next is analyzing. The learner breaks learned information into its parts to best understand that information. Comparing, organizing, deconstructing, attributing, outlining, finding, structuring, integrating. Can you break information into parts to explore understanding and relationship? Give me answer in comments. When you are writing an academic text, this text must be the result of an analysis. It means you will have to seek much more who and why questions about the subject you are talking about. Analysis involves three things: engage in an open inquiry where the answer is not known at first. Number one is Number one is that is break a subject apart to study it closely while you leave yourself open to multiple suggestions. Number two is identify meaningful parts of the subject, examine those separate parts and determine how they relate to each other. Number three is to conclude an analysis. It is necessary to show how those parts fit or don't fit together to create some larger effect or meaning. Next is types of analysis. Academic writing call for several different kinds of analysis. Number one is rhetorical analysis, process analysis, casual analysis. Number three is casual analysis. And first type is rhetorical analysis. Rhetorical analysis is to discover how a text persuades its readers. Rhetorical analysis focuses on how the argument of a text is structured. Rhetorical analysis, known as explication or close reading, also known. Rhetorical analysis application. Begin your rhetorical analysis collecting material that will lead you to your own thesis. This analysis is best achieved by asking a whole series of questions, beginning with the following: what is the context of this text? Number two is where was it published and when? Number three is by what means does the text seek to persuade its readers of the thesis? Number four is by appealing to their emotions, their fears. Number five is by citing authorities. Number six is by recounting personal experience, observation, or research. Next topic is process analysis, casual analysis. Next type, sorry. Process analysis and casual analysis focus on facts and relationships, figuring out how those facts and relationships work. The purpose of process and causal analysis is to discover and explain how a situation or issue works. Process analysis. Process analysis offers the steps whereby effect is achieved. The process analysis to some extent resembles a narration, both typically depend upon strict chronological order or steps in which they are to be performed or were performed. Next type is causal analysis. Causal analysis focusing on why an event happens. Example: economists want to know why women's wages are lower than men's. Their explanation illustrates causal analysis. Some people call it cause and effect analysis. It differs from process analysis in that it analyzes not how something occurs but why. Usually that why analyze events that have already happened, as in history and anthropology, but sometimes, as in political science or economics, it may try to predict what will happen and why. Thank you so much.